How's it going to the team over at Cerda Electric? Good afternoon and good evening. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing, and I want to get this custom video sent over to you guys showing how you can start to increase your traffic through your guys' websites and increase your sales and profits every single month. With that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. I don't want to waste a bunch of your time. We're going to try to keep this within 5 minutes so that way it's quick and efficient and informative to you guys. With that being said, we got your website, right? Good looking website. I'm assuming this is the man that this email is going to. Nice to meet you, brother. Congratulations on starting your career as a master electrician back in 2001. I think it's cool to see that we can put a face to the name of the company right off the start. You got to click the call button. I like that right away. You can get an estimate. You can leave your guys' reviews on there right here. You got a few service upgrade options right here. Troubleshooting. Got some good pictures. Electric volt charging, remodeling. All your guys' services right here, right on the home page. Not bad. I think I would highly recommend definitely having a service page and keeping your home page specifically kind of about you guys. But also, your guys' home page should have an average of 1,000 words on it, and not just any kinds of words, but keyword-rich words, meaning keyword-rich content, right? So all of this stuff on our home page is considered our content. And one way we can figure out how to get better content is by looking it up. And we can do this with a tool I like to use. It's called Ahrefs. I can copy and paste your guys' URL right into the top here, and it'll show me all your guys' backlinks, referring domains, organic keywords, see what you guys are currently doing online right now compared to some of your top competition, right? While that loads up, we're going to compare and contrast to another company locally, not Bart's Electric, forgive me. I was looking around and meant to grab your guys' site. But Jeremy Electric, these guys are at the top of the ranks right now on the Google search results for electricians in Kansas City, Missouri. And so we want to figure out what they're doing right, So they have their homepage button linked to their logo. Not to mention they've also got their about, their services, other services. They have a blog on their page and a contact form. Easy click to call finds, as well as requesting a service right then and there. They have a good call to action, good click to here to request more info. Same thing as right here. And boom, just right away. We got electrical heating. I know exactly what I'm looking for. I know how to find it. Boom, I want a ceiling fan. I click that, right? It's easy. It's user friendly. Not only have they done really well with their website build, but they've also done really well with all of this. But this is you guys right here. We're going to compare you to them. So currently you are not targeting any keywords. You have 10 backlinks and 4 referring domains. And we want to see what's possible, right? In the electrical industry, we'll see what we could possibly do. What are these guys doing so well that's keeping them at the top? And that's what we want to figure out, right? Same thing. I take their URL, I put it in Ahrefs here, and we're going to look at some of the keywords that we were just on that page, as well as their backlinks. They are targeting 2.1 thousand keywords currently, with 2,000 organic traffic coming to their website. Now, wouldn't that be awesome to have 2,000 people viewing your website every single month? That could potentially mean 35 new customers every single month. Now, talk about profits, right? Why not start doing this stuff? We have backlinks as well. We'll go into that briefly, but we want to figure out, since you guys don't have any keywords in your content, we want to figure out what good ones are. Right here, electrical questions. There's 500 search volume, right? We can go down and down and down, and I'm not going to go over them. You can read, but these are position number, all of these amazing keywords that we want to have on your website. Also, those backlinks, right? Backlinks, you're probably wondering, if you're not haven't done this before prior, you're wondering, how do I get backlinks? Don't worry. I'll explain to you right here, right now. So types of backlinks that we do want on our website are citations, link juice or influence, blog posts, or even guest posts. So a few of those are. I'm not going to explain them all in depth, but I can show you right here what these backlinks are. A citation is, though, it's anywhere online that your business name, phone number, address, and location, or email is online, right? Like a Yelp page or a Facebook page or a Yellow Pages page, anything like that. It could be a Twitter page. It could be a LinkedIn page. Those are all considered citations. We want to have those for our websites as well as our Google My Business profile. So, as we can see, we can go just like through all the keywords. We can figure out which high volume, which good powerful backlinks there are, and high volume ones there are, and what other ones that these guys have that you guys are missing out on, and start inserting them into your website. So Also, we have you guys right here, right now on your Google My Business profile. 16 reviews. You guys have your hours of operation, your website, services, service area. That all looks pretty good. Probably want to update our about information and kind of optimize that a little bit more and grab a few more photos. I see you guys have a couple of them here, but definitely want to probably put some more in. And the way we can tell that is actually by going back and looking for Cerda Electric again, right? What are these guys doing that's keeping them at the top? So, once this wants to go back here, we'll go Google one more time and I'll show you how I got to you guys. So I go on to Google and I actually type in this keyword, electricians, Kansas City, Missouri, right? First thing that comes up, boom, Cerda Electrical, Mr. Sparky, Ads Team Electric, LLC. We got also the Fusion, Mr. Sparky, CNS Electric. These Google guaranteed ads are a great way. But these guys have 360 reviews, 713 reviews. They've really optimized their Google business profile to start gaining more traffic. So, with that being said, I know it's a bunch of information. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd be happy to help you guys. But regardless, I wanted to get this free information over to you. Thank you guys and have a great day.